Hello students. Now we will see the third example of practice set 3.1. Okay. Now see here. We will write down the given information. I will show you how to write down given information. Given. What is given? O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. And RM and RN are tangent segments. Are tangent segments. And then what you have to prove? You have to prove that to prove OR is angle bisector of angle M, angle R, angle MRN, and it is angle bisector of angle MON. Okay, we will solve this question by using congruency of triangle. We will use very simple method to solve the question. See how. We have to use the properties of tangents here. Now what do you know? You know that RM and RN, these are the tangent segments. Tangent segments means what? The tangents drawn from the exterior point, and the characteristic of the property is these are congruent. These are congruent. Okay. So RM. While studying the algebra or the maths, we have to recall the properties. You know the characteristics. What is mean by odd number? What is mean by even number? Okay, you know that characteristics of these numbers, even numbers, odd numbers. Similarly, in geometry also, you must know the properties. You must know what is the property of tangent segment. These are congruent. RM is equal to RN. Okay. Segment RM is congruent to segment RN. Why? These are the tangent segments. And here is equation number 1. Okay. Now what is OR? This is the common side. Side is common in between two triangles. So side OR is congruent to side OR. This is common side. And here is number 2. Now OM and ON, these are the radius. Again you must know the property. What is the property of radius? These are equal. Side OM is congruent to side ON. Why? Radius of same circle. Therefore, number 3. So from first, second and third equation, what we get? These are the congruent triangles. RMO is congruent to RNO by which test? SSS test. And therefore, SSS test means 3 sides are congruent. So, 3 angles are also congruent. Means what? Angle MRO is congruent to NRO, and angle MOR is congruent to angle NOR. How? Corresponding angle of congruent triangle. Here we have proved that these two angles are congruent and these two angles are congruent. Means what? OR is the angle bisector.